We're here at Northeast Factory Direct. I'm here with Alex. You know, Alex, everyone knows that this is the best place to go for furniture when it comes to price, quality, everything from custom furniture now to mattresses to kitchen cabinets to game room equipment, everything, you have it. But the custom furniture, this is really nice.
Yeah, so a few years ago, we really started adding custom furniture. We have a huge selection of couches, love seats, accent chairs, recliners, throw pillows, you name it, we have it.
And it's a really easy process, right?
Yeah, so we've really simplified it. You know, whether you want fabric or leather, we have a huge selection, which can be overwhelming. So what we've done is you basically choose the type of frame you want, you pick out the color fabric you want, and your accent pillows, and you're done.
I love it. Sounds so nice. And I know you guys even have a little bit faster process than some places. So good price, and it comes quick?
Exactly. So a lot of places can take months to get the furniture. We've worked really hard to get that time in half so people can get it right away. The best part is you can get a custom couch exactly the way you want it, made here in the USA starting at $5.99, which is unheard of.
That's incredible. I got to tell you, one of my favorite pieces I've ever got here was my custom Amish table for my kitchen. I love it. You get that here too?
Yeah, so one of our most popular items is our custom Amish wood furniture, whether it's a bedroom set, dining room set. It's heirloom quality furniture that you can pass down from generation to generation at half of what you're going to pay at one of the fancy stores.
And you have a price guarantee.
Yeah, so we're really committed. We guarantee we're the best price. So if you buy something from us and within a year you find it for a better price, we give you the difference.
I love it. NortheastFactoryDirect.com. Check out one of their many locations.